You're watching Live with JP. Hello. This is Friday the 7th right now. It is 4:30 right now. Today update. I said yesterday. If you are watching my videos, thank you very much. My goal, I think, is to be me and to have my own reality TV show. So yeah. So anyways, update right now. My car. Watch this. Won't start. Won't start. So my dad, John, he kind of looks like a hippie, and hopefully you are gonna meet him soon. Um, so he's gonna pick me up right now, and he's gonna drive me to a gig that the newspaper from KW, Kitchener Waterloo, the home of BlackBerry, the record, is doing like a cover story in their business section on Wednesday. So Waterloo area, keep your eyes out for JP Magic. So right now I'm really grateful for my dad, you know. So yeah. So why am I doing this? Because like if Alex Clark can do it, anyone can do it. And true story, I like met him in Ottawa, I think 2 years ago on Canada Day weekend, and then met him at the Waterloo Buskers Festival in the Waterloo. Good times, really, really good times. And then he like asked for a ride to go to like the States afterwards, and like my car would not do it, right? Like this car right now can't start. Anyways, so yeah, so I want to say, Alex Clark, if my car did work, I would drive you guys. So Project Dynamite, they are one of my favorite like acts. So that's it, live with JP. More to come.